Stand with your knees hip-width apart and hold the back of a chair. Slide your left foot back, lift your knee and toes off the floor, and then press straight back with your knee bent for about 20 reps. You can make this even more challenging by rotating your leg to 8 o'clock like this. The point is to really feel a workout in your glutes. This move will strengthen your knees and prevent pain. Lie down with your left leg extended and your right leg bent. Lift your straight leg up until both knees meet, then slowly lower your leg. Do 10 to 20 on each side. Lie on your stomach with your arms stretched overhead and your legs straight. Lift both arms and legs at the same time and hold for at least 10 seconds. This move strengthens and stretches your arms, shoulders, core, legs, and glutes. Lie on your back with your knees bent to 90 degrees. On an inhale, slowly move your knees to the right, then exhale and return to the middle. Do this 5 to 8 times on each side. This is my favorite way to get a great stretch and really relax. Sit down and lay your chest on your thighs and your forehead to the floor. For extra hip opening, open your legs a little wider. Hold for 10 breaths. Kneel on all fours. Stretch your left leg back and out so it's diagonal to your torso. Bend your left knee to 90 degrees as you swoop your right foot up towards the ceiling, allowing your butt to lift. Straighten your knee and lower your foot back to the floor and try to do at least 30 of these on each side. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and a dumbbell or a water bottle in each hand, palms facing in. Cross your right ankle over your left knee, then lower into a squat while raising your arms in front. Repeat 10 times on each side. This super relaxing move gently stretches the muscles in your neck and shoulders and can ease a tension headache. Get as close as you can to a wall, keeping your legs together. Close your eyes, relax your jaw, put your hand on your belly, and breathe deeply and slowly. You can stay here for up to 10 minutes. Stand with your feet a little wider than shoulders. Squat down and place your hands on the floor in front of your feet. Jump or walk your feet back into the plank position. This really works your abs. Now do 2 push-ups on your toes if possible, or if you're a beginner, on your knees. Jump or walk your feet back towards your hands, return to a low squat position on your feet, and stand up. Repeat that whole sequence 4 more times. If you've got a tight lower back, this move can help. Sit into your right hip, bending your left foot over onto the floor like this. Place your left hand on the floor behind you and your right elbow on the outside of your left knee. Straighten your torso and turn gently to look over your left shoulder, holding for 5 to 10 breaths, then switch sides.